Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by anthropology? So, let's get started. My friends, anthropology is the study of what makes us human. Anthropologists take a broad approach to understanding the many different aspects of the human experience, which we call holism. They consider the past, through archaeology, to see how human groups lived hundreds or thousands of years ago and what was important to them. You know, anthropology provides the possibility to study every aspect of human existence. It is the window into the unknown. Anthropology provides the answer to our questions about ourselves, our past, present and future. Anthropology helps to connect everyone from around the globe. What do you think? What is the most important of anthropology? Let's understand. The focus of anthropology is on understanding both our shared humanity and diversity, and engaging with diverse ways of being in the world. Anthropology is divided into three subfields: sociocultural, biological, and archaeology. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.